Manjusha Art or Manjusha Painting. Manjusha Art is an ancient folk art of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is currently known as Bhagalpur city of Bihar. This art has been prevalent in Bhagalpur for a long time. It is believed that Manjusha art originated in Anga Mahajanapad. It is also known as Angika art. The name of this art form also holds an interesting story. The Sanskrit word Manjusha means box. These boxes were made from bamboo, jute straw, and paper inside, which the devotees kept their ceremonial materials. The boxes were illustrated with paintings that tell a tale, and the tale was of Behula who saved her husband from the deity's wrath and a snake bite, and also of Bishahari or Mansa. The festival of Bishaharis is celebrated on the 17th and 18th August of every year. During this puja, Manjushas are made. When it comes to Manjusha paintings, majorly three colors are used, namely pink, green, and yellow. These colors hold a significance. Pink is for care, relation, victory. Green is for nature and health. Dark green associated with financial businesses. Yellow is for joy, young, fun, happy feelings, confidence, boost enthusiasm, and optimism. With respect to colors, equally important is the art border. Every Manjusha painting must contain one or more borders. Bihar's Manjusha or snake painting is also get geographical indication status.